Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get a Metamask wallet. Open the official Metamask site or app, click Get Started, and choose Create a Wallet. Use a strong password and follow prompts to reveal your 12-word seed phrase. Write the seed phrase on paper and store it offline in 2 secure locations. Never share this phrase or enter it into unknown sites. I'll guide you through setup, privacy settings, and basic safety tips. Install Metamask from the official site or app store, then open the extension or app to begin. Choose Create a Wallet, set a strong password, and complete the basic walkthrough. When prompted, reveal the 12-word seed phrase and write it down exactly as shown, storing the copy offline. Consider a fireproof safe or secure deposit box for backups. Finally, enable any available biometric or PIN locks for extra protection. Treat your seed phrase like cash and never enter it on a website or share it with anyone claiming to help. Always verify URLs and connect only to known DApps, using phishing detection and browser alerts. For larger holdings, use a hardware wallet and keep a separate Metamask account for everyday transactions. Regularly review connected sites and revoke permissions you no longer use to reduce exposure to hacks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.